many seats are there in the Lok Sabha? A. 543. B. 550. C. 500. D. 552. Answer. A. 543. The Lok Sabha, the lower house of India's parliament, comprises 543 elected members. What is the minimum number of seats required for a party to form a government in the Lok Sabha? A. 250. B. 272. C. 300. D. 543. Answer. B. 272. A party needs a simple majority, which is 272 seats, to form a government in the Lok Sabha. How many Rajya Sabha seats are there in total? A. 238. B. 245. C. 250. D. 230. Answer. B. 245. The Rajya Sabha has a total of 245 members, including 233 elected and 12 nominated members. How many seats are reserved for scheduled castes (SC) in the Lok Sabha? A. 80. B. 84. C. 90. D. 100. Answer. B. 84. There are 84 seats reserved for scheduled castes in the Lok Sabha. How many seats are reserved for scheduled tribes (ST) in the Lok Sabha? A. 40. B. 47. C. 55. D. 60. Answer. B. 47. The Lok Sabha has 47 seats reserved for scheduled tribes. In which House of Parliament does the Finance Bill require a simple majority to pass? A. Lok Sabha. B. Rajya Sabha. C. Both. D. Neither. Answer. A. Lok Sabha. The Finance Bill must be introduced in and passed by the Lok Sabha. What is the total number of members in the West Bengal Legislative Assembly? A. 294. B. 300. C. 250. D. 350. Answer. A. 294. The West Bengal Legislative Assembly has a total of 294 members. How many seats are reserved for women in the Lok Sabha? A. 50%. B. 33%. C. 25%. D. 10%. Answer. B. 33%. The Lok Sabha has provisions for 33% reservation for women in the seats. How many members of the Rajya Sabha are nominated by the President of India? A. 10. B. 12. C. 15. D. 20. Answer. B. 12. The President nominates 12 members to the Rajya Sabha. How many total seats are there in the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly? A. 234. B. 250. C. 200. D. 300. Answer. A. 234. The Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly consists of 234 members. What is the strength of the Delhi Legislative Assembly? A. 70. B. 75. C. 80. D. 85. Answer. A. 70. The Delhi Legislative Assembly has a total strength of 70 members. What is the total number of seats in the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly? A. 288. B. 300. C. 275. D. 250. Answer. A. 288. The Maharashtra Legislative Assembly has 288 members. How many members does the Punjab Legislative Assembly have? A. 117. B. 120. C. 130. D. 140. Answer. A. 117. The Punjab Legislative Assembly consists of 117 members. How many Rajya Sabha members are elected by the state legislatures? A. 200. B. 220. C. 233. D. 245. Answer. C. 233. 233 members of the Rajya Sabha are elected by the state legislatures. How many total seats are in the Assam Legislative Assembly? A. 126. B. 130. C. 120. D. 140. Answer. A. 126. The Assam Legislative Assembly has a total of 126 seats. What is the minimum number of seats required for a party to be recognized as a regional party? A. 2%, B. 4%, C. 6%, D. 8%. Answer: C. 6%. A party must secure at least 6% of the votes in the state elections to be recognized as a regional party. How many total seats are there in the Haryana Legislative Assembly? A. 90, B. 92, C. 100, D. 120. Answer: 90. The Haryana Legislative Assembly has a total of 90 seats. How many constituencies are there in the Chandigarh Lok Sabha seat? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. Answer: 1. Chandigarh has only one Lok Sabha constituency. What is the strength of the Arunachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly? A. 50, B. 60, C. 70, D. 80. Answer: B. 60. The Arunachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly has a total of 60 members. How many members of the Lok Sabha are elected by the Union Territory of Delhi? A. 5, B. 6, C. 7, D. 8. Answer: 7. Delhi elects 7 members to the Lok Sabha. How many members are nominated to the Rajya Sabha from the Anglo-Indian community? A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, D. 5. Answer: 2. The President can nominate 2 members from the Anglo-Indian community to the Rajya Sabha, though this provision was abolished by the 104th Constitutional Amendment. How many seats are there in the Uttarakhand Legislative Assembly? A. 70, B. 72, C. 75, D. 80. Answer: 70. The Uttarakhand Legislative Assembly consists of 70 members. What is the total number of members in the Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly? A. 175, B. 180, C. 200, D. 220. Answer: 175. The Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly consists of 175 members. How many seats are reserved for scheduled tribes in the Gujarat Legislative Assembly? A. 18, B. 25, C. 32, D. 35. Answer: 27. There are 27 seats reserved for scheduled tribes in the Gujarat Legislative Assembly. How many members are elected to the Lok Sabha from the state of Tamil Nadu? A. 39, B. 42, C. 45, D. 48. Answer: 39. Tamil Nadu elects 39 members to the Lok Sabha. How many members of the Rajya Sabha are elected by the state of Karnataka? A. 10, B. 12, C. 15, D. 18. Answer: B. 12. Karnataka elects 12 members to the Rajya Sabha. How many members does the Uttar Pradesh Legislative Assembly have? A. 400, B. 403, C. 405, D. 410. Answer: B. 403. The Uttar Pradesh Legislative Assembly consists of 403 members. How many members does the Telangana Legislative Assembly have? A. 119, B. 121, C. 125, D. 130. Answer: 119. The Telangana Legislative Assembly consists of 119 members.